horror movie premiere just turned into a real-life Scream, and it had nothing to do with Ghostface. When Scream 7 hit the red carpet in Los Angeles, protesters were already outside the gates. Palestinian flags waving, signs reading, "Paramount has a blacklist," and "Cancel Paramount Plus." This wasn't just fan drama, it was political, and it all traces back to one name, Melissa Barrera. 2 years ago, Barrera, one of the new faces of the franchise, was suddenly fired after posting about Gaza on social media. The studio behind the film said it has zero tolerance for hate speech. Barrera responded saying she condemns hate of any kind and would continue speaking up for human rights. Fans immediately split into two camps, and the backlash hasn't cooled down since. But here's where it gets messy. Not long after Barrera was cut, her on-screen sister Jenna Ortega dropped out too. At first, it was blamed on scheduling. Then, Ortega later revealed it had nothing to do with pay or timing. That's when rumors exploded that the franchise was quietly unraveling behind the scenes. And at the premiere, director Kevin Williamson said he supports everyone's right to protest, but questioned whether canceling the studio is the solution. Now fans are divided, the studio's under pressure, and somehow, the scariest part of Scream 7 isn't even in the movie. Some say this drama could haunt the franchise longer than Ghostface ever could.